In today's video, we're diving into everything you need to know about the Monobank Debit Card. Whether you're just hearing about Monobank or thinking of applying for a new debit card, this breakdown will guide you through the essentials. Let's start with the basics. Monobank offers a debit card that connects seamlessly to their mobile banking app, allowing you to manage your funds with ease. One of the big perks is the quick and easy sign-up process. It takes just a few minutes, and you can start using your card immediately after activation. Advantages: no account fees. Monobank doesn't charge monthly maintenance fees, which is a huge plus for users who want to save on banking costs. Real-time spending notifications. Every time you use the card, you get instant updates on your transactions. Multiple currency accounts. You can hold and spend money in different currencies, which is a great feature for travelers or those dealing with international purchases. Cashback options. Monobank partners with select merchants to offer cashback on purchases, giving you extra value every time you shop. Disadvantages: limited physical branches. If you prefer face-to-face service, Monobank might not be the best choice since their services are mainly digital. ATM withdrawal limits. There are limits on how much you can withdraw from ATMs for free each month, and exceeding those limits will incur fees. International fees. While the card offers multiple currencies, there are fees associated with using the card outside your home country, so it's important to be mindful of the charges. Services. Monobank's mobile app is the core of their service. It's intuitive, giving you full control over your card, allowing you to block it temporarily, adjust limits, and see detailed spending insights. Plus, you can send and receive payments easily through the app. Cost. The Monobank debit card itself is free to issue, and there are no hidden charges for regular transactions. However, keep an eye on international usage fees and ATM withdrawal limits, as these might cost you if you exceed the provided limits. In summary, Monobank offers a modern, efficient debit card that's perfect for users who want to bank online with low fees and useful features. However, it's important to weigh these benefits against any potential drawbacks, like limited in-person support or fees for international use. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.